Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hey Jeep enthusiasts! In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Wrangler Freedom top. Getting ready for some open-air driving is easier than you think, and this guide will walk you through each step. You'll be enjoying the sunshine in about 5 to 10 minutes. This simple process requires no special tools, making it quick and convenient. Let's get started by ensuring your Jeep is safely parked and ready for the transformation. Now let's focus on the front panels. You'll find 3 latches on the driver's side panel, one above the visor, one in the middle, and one near the sound bar. Simply flip these 3 latches open. Once released, gently lift the panel off and set it aside in a safe, padded area. Then, repeat these exact steps for the passenger's side panel, releasing its 3 latches and carefully removing it. With the front panels removed, it's time for the larger rear section. In the cargo area, you'll find 6 large thumb screws securing the hardtop. Unscrew all 6 of these by hand. Once they are all loose, you'll need a second person to help you carefully lift the entire rear hardtop section straight up and off the Jeep. Store it securely on a hardtop cart or a soft, padded surface to prevent any damage. Congratulations! Your Jeep Wrangler Freedom top is now completely removed, and you're ready to enjoy the ultimate open-air driving experience. Feel the wind in your hair and soak up the sun. When it's time to put the top back on, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all latches and screws are securely fastened. Drive safely and have an amazing time with your top down.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.